Welcome to Just Pamela. I'm here with my husband, Mickey, and we got something brand new. How did you come about this item?
Well, we had a few envelopes that we needed to grind that we didn't want people to go looking through our garbage to find out things. And what I decided was, let's get a shredder instead of going to a shredding company. So I went to Staples, and they had a whole bunch of them for sale. $89, $99, $109, $110. And
that's Canadian.
That's Canadian. And there was one that was going for either $149 or $159 that they reduced to $110. And the reason I chose this one is because it had a larger junk box. It had a larger box in it to put all the shreddies in. And not only that, but you could keep going for 6 minutes instead of just 4 minutes, like the one that went for $99. And there was two people there. One of them owned the $99 one previously, and he said that he had to clean out the teeth in it, and eventually it stopped working, but it was still a good one. So
were all the shredders at Staples, were they
the staff was helpful?
No, but were they all the same brand?
They were all different brands.
Because this one is Fellowes. Now, what made you choose Fellowes as opposed to other brands?
Because the Fellowes brand would keep shredding for 2 minutes longer before it would overheat or indicate overheating. And it had bigger teeth than the smaller Fellowes one that was $10 less. And it also, this Fellowes one, has the bigger junk pile. You could fit more liters of shreddies in it. And that's why I bought this one.
So, once you brought this home, I was just like, wow, you really bought something brand new here. Mm-hmm. So I noticed it says something about Safe Sense technology. So it says that it'll stop when your hand touches the paper opening. Did you happen to
I never even
test
noticed that.
out?
No, I didn't test it out, but don't lean over and get your tie stuck in it. That was one of the warnings. Don't get your tie stuck in it.
Okay. So I guess that's one of the things that we're going to have to test out carefully to see about their Safe Sense technology. And they say that it stops when the hand touches the paper opening. But it also says that you can do 10 sheets.
10 sheets as opposed
at one time.
As opposed to 6 sheets from the other one and 8 sheets from another one.
Okay.
And it also will grind credit cards. It'll also cut through staples and paper clips, while the other ones did not cut through paper clips. And
I noticed it said that it's also for personal use. So
yes.
This isn't per se something that would be used in a big company. And the bin is a 6-gallon bin.
6 liter, I think. 6 gallons would be
6
huge.
gallon? Okay, 6
liters. The
6
other one's
liters.
got smaller bins of 2 liters.
Okay, and this one is from Fellowes. So, do you want to test out this to see if it really does some of the things that it says that it does? Well, I notice you've been testing it lately.
I've tested it. I haven't overloaded it, but it's very, very quick when it works.
Well, let's go and see how this machine works, because it's quite exciting. I haven't actually tested it out yet.
Do you have some paper that we can put through
There
it?
is always paper to get rid of. So let's go test it.
There's an on and... Tell me when to start.
Okay, so we're going to test out this brand new Fellowes shredder.
60CS.
60CS. And on it, we have all those little buttons.
A forward, a reverse.
And that must be the off button.
Yeah.
And
this is the on and off switch at the back.
The on and off switch at the back.
Tells you what you can and you can't put in.
Okay, which is good.
It shows when it starts.
Now, is this for the placement of if you're putting a credit
Where you put
card?
the credit cards, right here.
In that area, right there. Oh, look at that. That's for safety for your hand when that light goes on. So,
now, would you like to see me shred something?
Let's test out the machine.
Let's see.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's just do
5 layers.
5 layers. Oh.
And there, it did 5 layers.
Okay, let's test another piece of item. Now, sometimes we have things that we want to get rid of that are sensitive items. Like this is old stuff.
Let me put it in.
Let's see. If you let go of it, can you put in? Oh, we heard it sort of stop. That is for the safety. Let's try another piece. Let go. Ooh. And that is so cool. Would you recommend this item to other
I'd
people?
recommend it over a lot of other ones. This is the one I would recommend the most. This is self-collision.
Oh, those are old papers. So let's give it one more go. You've got a couple more pieces of paper. How many layers?
Oh.
This is a good way to get rid of all your
this will be 9
old
layers.
bank papers, because you don't want to have those items.
That's 9 layers.
And it's wonderful. And as you can see at the front here, there is a transparent so that you can see when it starts to get full. And then you can just throw that all out in your recycling. So don't forget to click like and subscribe, and place your comments in case you've to let us know more about other shredders you may have tried in the past. And this is the Fellowes Shredder 60CS.